Wrike Tutorial for Beginners, free project management software for small businesses. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I am going to be showing you around Wrike, how we can use Wrike for our project management to run a small business or to get more productive and creative. So what I want you to do is you will simply go to Wrike.com and you will simply land on this platform right here. Wrike is an amazing project management software with a lot of different tools to help us with our team and with our work. So first of all, we need to sign up for Wrike. So the signing up process is really easy. I'm gonna click right here, start for free, and then we will be able to do so. I have to add an email address. So simply add your email address right here, click on start for free. Now you have to add your email or corporate ID, or you can simply log in with your Google account. So I'm gonna go ahead and log in with my Google account because it becomes really easy. Then I don't have to add any other information. I will simply log in with my Google account. So I will select my account and then I will simply log in. So once you sign up for Wrike, then you will simply get your own dashboard. So it will just take a second to load, and then we have a lot of different features on Wrike. So it depends on you how you want to use it. So you can see right here, this is our own dashboard that we are going to be getting. We have different options right here. Before I show you the dashboard and different features, let's check out the pricing plan for Wrike so that we have a better idea about the affordability of the platform. And this is one of the important things that you should definitely check before you sign up. So you can see right here, we have a free plan which is going to be $0 per user per month, and it is completely free for 5 users. Then we have a professional plan, which is going to be for 5 to 15 users, and it is going to be 9.80 per user per month. Then we have a business plan, which is going to be for 500 to 200 users. It is suitable for, up to 200 users, and it is 24.80 per user per month. And then we have enterprise, which is going to be custom pricing according to custom features. So the pricing plan is actually quite reasonable, and we're getting a free plan, which is pretty amazing. Now you can see right here, with the free plan we have a lot of different features such as scheduling. We have live activity, task and subtask management. We have personalized app experience. And then in professional, of course, the storage increases to 2 GB, and then as the pricing increases, the features increase as well. We get a user group, we get workload charts, we get extensions, we get a lot of different features in the business plan, which is actually the most popular plan as well. So once you have decided your plan, you will simply sign up. For example, I can sign up for the free plan. Again, you simply add your business email right here, and then you sign up for that. So now let me show you what are the different features we get in Wrike, because that's really important when you will be signing up for Wrike. You want to know how you will be able to use it and what are the different features for you that will help you manage your team better. So what happens is that Wrike is just like any other project management software, not difficult to use at all. So we get different charts and boards and different templates as well to work with. So the Wrike actually focuses on your team building and growing your team. So it allows you to create your very own hub of productivity and creativity, where you can actually create your workspace with different charts and boards, and you can add different lists. Then you can actually create a pleasant looking workspace for yourself. And if you like boards and charts and stuff like that, like me, I actually personally like to work in a very colorful workspace with a lot of notes, because it kind of like makes me get more creative, and I have a better idea in organizing my team. So that what you can do on Wrike. So we are getting boards, we are getting charts and list views as well. Then we can create our own plans with timelines. Of course, when you will be creating a project, you can add deadlines, you can add different tasks, and you can add different tags into your task as well. You can add backgrounds. You can also select from different templates available on Wrike. So what happens is that the templates actually help you create your own professional workspace of your own. If as a beginner you're not getting an idea that how to create a very productive workspace, then you can use templates. Then we can upload files, we can upload documents, we can upload and attach documents with URL as well. Then we have the timeline option, of course, and then we also get different integrations when it comes to Rike. So let me show you what are the different integrations we're getting in Rike. What are integrations? For example, adding your Slack or maybe adding your a Google Calendar into your Rike to create an amazing workspace of your own. When it comes to integration, we can actually integrate any type of software or an application to our Rike. You can see right here, we get integrations in CRM, software, email integration, we have chat and messaging, we have export, import, we have mobile and desktop apps, we have file storage, extension, CMS, and business intelligence as well. If we talk about some of the integrations, I would say, Microsoft Teams, then we have Google Drive. You can also add your Slack, you can add your Gmail, you can add your OneDrive, you can add your MS Excel, then you can also add your Slack. So these are the different softwares that we can integrate into our Rike to help us manage our teams better. When it comes to creating your team, you will be creating email marketing campaigns, you want CRM, you want some of the other maybe project management software within your Rike. For example, to-do list, then you can just simply add a Rike to-do list. You can add Microsoft 365. So these are the different integrations that help us to create and manage our team better. So yeah, you're getting integrations, you're getting all the products. You can check out the features right here, and then you can also check out the project templates. We have, when it comes to teams, what type of teams you can manage with Rike. You can actually manage your sales team, project managers, marketing, creative, company-wide product development, and much more. So you can simply sign up for Rike right now and start managing your team better. You will get integrations, and of course you will be able to create your projects and manage them with Rike very easily. The platform is very easy to use as well and not complicated. So once you sign up for Rike, you will actually have a better idea. You will get your own dashboard, and then you can start managing your team better and get more productive. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know everything that you wanted to know. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if this tutorial was a big help to you. I tried to tell you everything about the topic, and I hope that you understood everything, and now you are good to go. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family members so they can also get the information they want to. Also, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel. The button will be given right down below. Go ahead and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Also, hit the notification bell so every time you get notified when we post a video. So yeah, also leave a comment down below. What was your favorite part and what did you learn from this video, or if you have any question. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know how to use Rike and how to sign up for Rike.com. What are the different features you will get in Rike to manage your small business. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.